Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're working on this 2005 GMC Topkick. This one has a sticky gauge problem. So in this video we're going to be demonstrating how to remove the gauge cluster. The first thing you want to do is pull off this little panel. Just like that. Next, you want to drop the steering wheel. Next, you want to grab this panel and pull it off. Next thing, you need to drop the shifter. And before pulling the bezel off, we need to disconnect this connector. Push down right here. Next, we need to disconnect the headlight switch. Let's try to work this panel out and around the steering wheel. Alright, that was a little snug, but managed to get it out without breaking it and hopefully without scratching anything. Now we got 2 screws on the left side. And 2 screws on the right side. All that's left is to just pull it out, and these have a pretty cool system where you pull it out and it's automatically disconnected. You'll lift the dash up a little bit right here. Alright, that's it. Once it's out, you could go ahead and send it in for repair. We'll get it repaired for you. We replace all the motors, all the lights. We go over all the common areas that fail, like dim displays and corrosion that causes a parasitic draw. All sorts of stuff like that. So send it in, we'll get it taken care of for you. We have a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.